Morning YouTube, it's currently 6:30 in the morning. I've just had a call from someone on my street to say they've got a burst pipe. So I'm just going over there to have a look. It is currently -6 degrees. So let's go have a look. So this is under the kitchen sink. This is me trying to figure out where it is. I've turned the stopcock on ever so slightly. I'm just having a look around, see if I can hear anything, see if I can see anything. I did notice a puddle on the floor down here, so I looked through here and I saw that there was a double check valve and an outside tap isolation valve. And as you can see, the top of the isolation valve is starting to pop off and there's water bubbling out the top of it. So that is why it's so important to turn off your isolation valves to your outside taps during winter to stop this happening and stop getting a massive call out fee like this. So what we've done in this situation is we've turned the isolation valve off to this tap, and when the weather has stopped and it's warmed up a bit, we're going to reinstate it and put it back together. There you go, that's all sorted. Because it's so cold at the moment and the outside tap back straight onto the kitchen, it's quite common for them to pop before the double check valve inside. So that's what's happened. The isolation valve's popped and it's flooded the kitchen sink. But that's all done. So make sure you turn off your outside taps this winter to save a hefty call out bill. Hope you have a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe.